everyone. My name is Semion Birger. I'm from HP Cytex. This is the division of great HP, and we're working and manufacturing and developing the corrugated presses. This is the single path machine print directly on the corrugated boards. So let's take a virtual tour and see what happens here. Okay, so today we're gonna see C550 press. This is the press for the post-print corrugated market. It is based on the HP thermal inkjet technology and the unique solution to handle and drive the corrugated boards at industrial grade, including all the warps and all the stuff that you know from the corrugated industry through the press. We can handle from F-flute 0.8 millimeter up to 8 millimeter boards. Okay, the format is 1.3 meter on 2.5 meters. Okay, we're printing at 90 meter per minute, okay, and we can handle both coated and uncoated. One of the biggest advantage of this system is actually handling the uncoated boards with the top image quality and top color performance. This is, we don't think we have another competitor with the butter-based ink meeting all the requirements of Nestle and UPIA, and with the top quality on uncoated. This actually means that the customers can actually use relatively cost-effective liners, the uncoated liners, and get premium quality. And this is a new, unique solution that you won't find in the market.
I don't like sack.
Now we have 4 colors, CMYK. We're printing stack to stack with stack height of 1.5 meter, and you can have the output stack of 1.8 meters. The print heads are HP proprietary, based on 1200 native resolution, and we have a redundancy to face all the issues of the inkjet that every competitor will have. Eventually, nozzles will fail, but we have enough redundancy, we have a smart system to compensate, and that's why you can reliably run the job at the harsh environment of the corrugated, with all the fibers and all the dust and everything that you know from this market. So let's see in the operation of the press. We can go to a movie. So this is the feeder. You can see it operates stack to stack. So you have the material coming in from every side. It can come from master or from a Birger side. And now you can see the media is being loaded, running through the print engine. We have a unique solution of what we call virtual belt. It's not a belt. This is the set of linear motors running kind of like a belt. And this ensures top accuracy of plus minus 10 microns of the position. And this actually ensures that we get best quality in the market. Now we have the boards printed. They're running to the drying system. We're printing water-based, I remind you. That's why we have to dry the liquid content of the ink. Okay. And we go here to the, okay, not here. Yeah, we go to the stacking system. After coating, we have an analog coater here, which is especially for the coated liners. Okay, so you have the full production cycle of stock, having the boards, printing. You can print different graphics, as you can see here, and we're stacking it at 1.8 meter stack. Of course, the stack height is variable. Let's go a little bit to the virtual belt solution. So as you can see here, it's not a real belt. It is built of segments. Each segment here has their pair of linear motors, and this actually ensures the very accurate position and accurate movement of the media, and this ensures the registration between the color. Now, if you look at this, you can see small suction cups here. Okay, those suction cups ensure that we can handle warps. Okay. Our competitors typically use belts with the holes, and it's very hard to handle the board, especially when you have a corner like this, okay, because the vacuum here will be not enough. And once you have a suction series of suction cups, this is what actually helps you to flatten the board, and this prevents some issues with the print heads and crashes, what our competitors can have. Let's go to the next one, the printing bridge. So we have the here the 7 print bars with the HP print heads, 1 print bar for the bonding agent, and another 6 print bars for the colors. Each print head has almost 10,000 nozzles. We have 91 print heads, so in total we have almost 1 million nozzles here. Okay, and that's why we have the robustness of the printing because of the redundancy, because we have a lot of nozzles. The printed replacement, see it here, very easy. It's being done by the operator. You just pull it out, put in the new one, and you're ready to go.
We are not looking into
Here, the printed replacement. Let's see the demonstration. You just climb on top, pull it out. Okay, put the new one in, and you're clear to go. This is the replacement process. Very easy. Okay, the dryer. Of course, we're printing water-based, so drying is another part, very important. We're using combination of the infrared and hot air. Okay, and we're using some patterns here to allow the ink to actually being absorbed into the paper, and then we apply the drying. This actually saves drying energy.
but the core technology.
OPV, of course, as part of the printing process, we overcoat the boards. This is important for the application, from the application perspective, to our customers to make the coated boards with the varnish. The varnish is already included in the system, so you can have the fully finished product. And the stacker, as I mentioned, there is a continuous stacker here, so actually you can control the stack heights. So for example, you can start with the inlet of 1.5 meters and then decide that you're working in bundles, make different bundles with different sizes of the bundles, and according to what you need in your application. So this is the press, and it's supported by HP. It's the HP press with all the services, with all the back of a big company that has the excellent performance and has the excellent customer relations. We are famous with our service, our product, and every customer here. We have also about 25 presses already installed in Europe and the United States. And I have a customer in Poland. So you're invited. It's relatively close to Europe, so we can actually come and see the customer and visit them. So we arrange the open houses and the customer side. So the appointment, the visit can be scheduled. So you can see the press running actual real jobs in the customer environment, and this will be much better than any stories and any presentation that I'm telling you here, guys. Just come to real customers, see the press running, talk to them, get their insights, and take smart decisions.
Thank you for the interview.